Hide or show app and browser control in Windows Security in Windows 10. Windows Security helps protect your computer, but if users change the default settings, they might accidentally expose their devices to risk. As a system admin, you can prevent this by hiding the app and browser control menu. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that on Windows 10. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Methods to hide Windows Security app and browser control. Here are some of the basic methods to try first. Method 1. Using Local Group Policy Editor. If you're using Windows 10 Pro, Enterprise, or Education, you can hide the app and browser control menu with the Local Group Policy Editor. Before you start, you must be signed in as an administrator. It's a good idea to back up your current local group policy settings just in case. Now, press Windows plus R. Type gpedit.msc and hit Enter to go to Local Group Policy Editor. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Security, App and Browser Protection. Double-click Hide the App and Browser Protection area. Select Enabled, then click Apply and OK. Finally, restart your PC to enable the changes. Method 2. Using the Registry Editor. You can also use the Registry Editor to hide the app and browser control section in Windows Security. Again, make sure you are logged in as an administrator and keep in mind that any mistakes can harm your system, so it's important to have a backup. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to go to Registry Editor. Go to H key, Local, Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender Security Center, App and Browser Protection. If App and Browser Protection doesn't exist, right-click Windows Defender Security Center, choose New, Key, and name it App and Browser Protection. In that key, right-click on the right panel, select New, DWORD 32-bit value, and name it UI Lockdown. Double-click UI Lockdown and set the value to 1. Finally, restart your PC to make the changes. Alternative method, using third-party tools. Admins can use either the Local Group Policy Editor or Registry Editor to hide the app and browser control section in Windows. These tools work well, but can be risky if used incorrectly. For a safer and easier experience, some admins prefer third-party tools. These often come with user-friendly interfaces and extra features like easy security setting management, audit and report tools, policy enforcement, backup and restore options. What is app and browser control in Windows Security? App and browser control lets users manage how Windows defends against online threats, like blocking suspicious sites or scanning for malware, while browsing or installing new content. Hiding the app and browser control section in Windows Security is a useful way for administrators to prevent users from altering important security settings. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to hide or show app and browser control in Windows Security, linked in the description below.